Understanding Woodworking, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of woodworking. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about this craft, this video will provide you with a clear understanding of what woodworking entails. Woodworking is the art or skill of creating things out of wood. It involves techniques like cutting, shaping, and joining wood to create both functional and decorative items. From simple objects like spoons and bowls to complex furniture and intricate carvings, woodworking encompasses a broad range of creations. In this section, we'll delve into the tools and techniques used in woodworking. Common tools include saws, hammers, chisels, and planes. We'll also look at techniques like carving, joinery, and finishing. Understanding these tools and techniques is crucial for anyone interested in this craft. Woodworking uses various types of wood, each with unique properties. We'll explore hardwoods like oak and maple, known for their strength, and softwoods like pine and cedar, which are easier to work with. The choice of wood can significantly affect the final product's look and durability. Let's get practical. In this section, we'll showcase different woodworking projects, ranging from beginner to advanced levels. This will help you understand the practical applications of woodworking and might even inspire you to start a project of your own. Woodworking can be dangerous if proper safety measures aren't followed. We'll cover essential safety tips, such as wearing protective gear and understanding how to safely use different tools. Remember, safety always comes first in woodworking. I hope this video has given you a deeper insight into the world of woodworking. Whether you're planning to pick up this skill or just wanted to learn more about it, remember that woodworking is a rewarding and creative pursuit. Keep practicing your English, and maybe one day, you'll be discussing your woodworking projects in fluent English.